Do you want to know which is the best VoIP business phone system? You've come to the right software review and business ideas place. This case study compares top trending DialPad versus Nextiva reviews. You'll find out what small business VoIP providers will come out on top in this product review. Let's ramble up. All right, in this review, we're going to check out Nextiva business phone systems versus DialPad business phone systems. So Nextiva business phone systems, the best way to communicate with everyone, versus DialPad, talk, message, meet, support. One beautiful workspace for team and customer communications, all your conversations all in one place. And this is DialPad, and they just raised 170 million for their AI powered communication. So they are built in. AI changes everything, and that's why I like DialPad with the built-in AI, especially for those businesses that want to scale. And Nextiva is great as well when you're talking about customer service done right with their Nextiva contact center. So that's something that you want to look into. They were voted best business phone system in 2022 by US News 3 years in a row. So best business phone systems, Nextiva, by US Business News. But what we want to do and what you want to listen to is you want to hear customer actual reviews. So let's go ahead and get into some actual customer reviews. I want to make sure this screen is big enough and reset that so you can see that. All right, so now you can see it. So Nextiva is the platform for voice video collaboration, SMS, if that's important to you, chat and surveys together all in one place. And that's what Nextiva is. And so let's look at some of these customer reviews from them, and let's look at a recent one. Recent one here being, as of this recording, great to be able to make my phone work. Great to be able to take my work phone on the go, but, and let's go with the but for what he disliked. For some reason, I continue to have issues with recordings. I follow every suggestion and even upgrading to a newer computer, but some recordings are still cut off, forcing me to download in order to get the full call. What did this person like? They like the app allows mobility without missing calls and being able to call out on my mobile phone without my personal number showing. And if that's something important to you, of making sure that you're having that business and personal separated, it's still use one phone, this is a potential option for you. And so here's another review from a true customer, a COO of a small business, 50 employees or less, and that is the quick and prompt response from their tech team. And the phone, always reliable. They love the X885 phone. And what it says about that phone is I can keep track of which employees are in a current call, so I can redirect the call efficiently. Phones are always snappy and quick. Never had a lag time. Best feature is a call recording and the admin interface that always changes. So you can see how you can have, two individuals having different experiences using the same type of feature, which is a recording feature. So it all just depends upon maybe where you're at, how your system is configured, and making sure that you have everything set up for you. What this individual dislikes, what does the COO dislike? The only downside of Nextiva is the Android Play Store app. It lags and crashes. All right, so the Play Store app, but he likes the phone. And so let's go ahead and find out about DialPad. What do customers say about DialPad? So what is DialPad Talk? DialPad is built entirely from the ground up on the Google Cloud platform. So DialPad Talk is a business phone system that provides unmatched mobility, flexibility, security to more than 62,000 of the world's most innovative businesses. All right. And they includes a native voice intelligence feature like real-time transcription and post-call summaries with highlighted action items. And that's pretty amazing. DialPad directly integrates with other businesses' critical cloud applications such as G Suite, Salesforce, and Zendesk for maximum productivity and end user efficiency. So let's hear what some of these customers have to say. Customers, let's go ahead and listen to them. Best VoIP system I ever used for micro business. And all right, what do you dislike then? I wish the Windows app had a dedicated app instead of relying on Chrome extension. I'm sure it's easy to program for Chrome, but I like to be able to close Chrome without impacting my DialPad experience. And what does this person like? The desktop mobile apps work so much better, and the UI is better than anything I've used in the past. So this person has used Ring Central, Grasshopper, and Nextiva. The admin interface and the features actually make sense. And I'm looking at you, Ring Central. All right, and you want to check out my Ring Central versus Nextiva review. Go ahead and check that out. It's also inside of the description box. If you want to check out that review I did, Ring Central versus Nextiva. And let's see here, another review. It says, and I love to go right to the what do you dislike? Sometimes it's hard to answer the calls because you have to press 1 before you answer, which makes answering it in the car really hard. The calls are spotty sometimes at home, depending on if you have a good internet or not. So that's more of an internet connection, not necessarily something wrong with DialPad in itself. So that's why I like to go to the reviews. What I also did was I broke them down for you to make it easier for you to see. So here's an easy way for you to check this out. And let me go ahead and make sure that you can see this entire screen. So let me go make it smaller for you. And one more here. Let's go ahead and just reset that button. Okay. And move this over. All right, so what I did was I have a breakdown between DialPad Talk and Nextiva for their business phone systems. And I put all the ratings so in this column so you can easily see it. So star ratings are pretty much matched in the same from the customer reviews. And the entry-level price, $25 per user per month, invoice annually for DialPad, starting at $18.95 for Nextiva. Of course, if you're looking at getting some more discounted rates, you want to connect with myself and my team in the description section below and schedule that one-on-one call with us. We can be able to guide you to even some better options for you. The quality support, I believe, is always important. Phone and video nowadays is important as well. So quality support, DialPad gets an 8.6 and Nextiva is 9.1. According to these, how many these customer reviews that we have here? So it's 1,096 total reviews for DialPad and 704 for Nextiva. And this is what actual customers gave their reviews. And this is a breakdown for them. So we have phone calls and video calls, which I think are very important. For the video calls, DialPad received an 8.2 by their customers and a 9.3 by Nextiva reviews from their customers. And I have a further breakdown. If you want to have access to that, go ahead and schedule that call with myself and my team. We can give this broken down to you for any company that is out there, but you have to connect with us first. And that goes to show you that we can assist you with a couple different things. Yeah, we can assist with technology, energy, AI, automation, and marketing services. We can be your team, your TEAM, technology, energy, AI, automation, and marketing services. If you're thinking of any of those things, we can help you with. I have the resources for you. If you want to look at your Nextiva, if you want to also get into the different grants that are available that I also talk and promote on this channel, and being able to use the different grants to help fund some of these new technologies that are available out there, you want to get in contact with my team or I.